Hello everyone, welcome to Dermatology my channel. I'm Dr. LillianMontalvo, dermatologist, and I'm making this video in order to celebrate reaching my first 100 subscribers. It's so exciting. I know it's not a lot, but it's an accomplishment, and I want to share with you what I've learned in this process, especially during the past month that we have been in quarantine, and I've been studying a lot how to do this, and I can maybe share with you a little bit of the things that I have learned. For a YouTube beginner like me, reaching the first 100 subscribers is a big deal. It's a big milestone, and it can give you the momentum to keep going, because remember, this is like a marathon. You cannot give up. You have to be so consistent. It can be draining at some times, but if you like it, you have to keep going. 100 people are interested in what you have to say. They're interested in your content. They might have learned something, and that means 100 people are thankful for the hard work that you're putting into. And like anything else in life, if you want to get good at something, you want to improve, you gotta work hard. That's the key ingredient. In order to get a good YouTube channel, you have to work really hard. And I'm not saying my channel is amazing, but I can tell you my videos are improving drastically. Each video that I make teaches me what works and what doesn't. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I'm not very techy, I'm not a millennial, I have no previous training in talking to a phone or a camera. To be honest, I started because I wanted to help my patients and anyone who could benefit from my knowledge. I began with my own iPhone 7, someone holding it, me talking from 10-15 feet away, not really good visibility, but I've been watching so many videos on how to do this, and I've learned so much that I will have this knowledge forever, and I can help other people too doing this. So I'm going to share with you what I've learned. Luckily, about a week before the quarantine, I bought myself a vlogging kit, which includes the stand for the camera, the microphone, lights, and it has helped me a lot. This is the one. I got it at Walmart, and let me tell you, for $40-something, I couldn't ask for more. But before you buy it, make sure your iPhone is compatible with it, because sometimes you need to buy an extra cable, as I did. I'll show you which one. This is the cable, and I was a little bit upset because I didn't know I needed it till I got home. So the first was hard work. The second has to be persistence. You can never give up. You have to keep pushing. You have to set yourself reachable goals, work really hard towards them, and once you reach them, then you have to set yourself higher goals. In order to do this, you must do a lot of research. YouTube is a great instrument to learn about how to talk to a camera, where to position yourself, what the lighting should be. So learn from the ones that have succeeded already and that have shown they can grow the number of subscribers into thousands and even millions. That was tip number 3. Listen, watch, and learn from the people that have done this recently and have gotten to where you want to get. Before I go to tip number 4, I wanted you to have an idea of how seriously I've taken this. While I was doing my research, watching YouTubers explaining how to get better, what to do to grow your channel, I had my little notebook and my pen, and I took notes, and I would pause the video on important information, and I would take notes, and then I would write things that I wanted to do. Tip number 4 is to make content that you're positive, that you know for a fact that people are interested in. You don't want to invest such hard work and time on themes that people are not interested, because you're going to waste your time. So on this hard-working road of reaching my first 100 subscribers, I'm going to tell you specifically what I have learned. Number 1, good content. Number 2, post regularly. And there's a lot of controversial surrounding this subject, because some people recommend 2 videos a week every day, which I think it's crazy. If we work, once a month is more than enough. Let me tell you, I've been trying to do about once a week, and the more you post, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So at least once or twice a week. It's not a specific magic formula, but it pushes you to keep on practicing and getting better at this. For video editing, I've become an expert using iMovie. It's pretty simple. You just need to practice and practice and practice. My partner, Dr. Prastiani, uses VSDC Free Editor. You must get your viewers' attentions on the first 8 seconds. I've read that it's proven that if they're not interested in the first 8 seconds that you're talking to them, they're gonna click away and you lost. In order to make your videos more interesting, you need to change things up and do the pattern interruptions. If you analyze this video, you can see that sometimes I'm standing here, sometimes I'm here, some close-ups, some text here, changes in scenery, the background can change. And this helps because something clicks in the brain of viewers and they can keep watching. Other suggestions concerning this is sound effects, putting pictures up, substituting your face, and make any kind of changes. Dedicated to watch some videos and write down how many pattern interruptions, and I counted about 70 something or 80 something in 5 to 10 minute videos. Light is really important, and you don't need a specific light. If you can't get a light, I've seen that the round one is really good. In summary, what I've learned, if you're standing in front of a window, natural light is always good. If you're not, then you need to have some light from the front, some light from the side, and some light from the back. Not everything in the front because it doesn't look right. Something else that I've learned is how to position yourself on the screen. Basically, you need to be, your eyes should be on the upper third if you divide the screen horizontally in 3 parts. The upper third is where your eyes should be. I've also learned that you're not supposed to leave a lot of space from your head to the corner. When you do a video like this and there's all this space above your head, it doesn't look right. So remember, just a little space here, even none, that's good enough. Concerning the background, it's not that important. The important part is that it's the background, it's back there, it's not right behind you, you're not stuck to the wall, and you should be sitting on a chair or a stool, not a big thing covering all your back. So look at the difference. This is one of the first videos I ever recorded. This was for Instagram, and I look like I'm glued to the wall on the back. That doesn't look right. Also, I'm so far away from the camera, it's even hard to see my face. And the light is awful. A cool, attractive title and an attractive, colorful thumbnails are vital for people to get interested, intrigued, and clicked on your channel. So what we do is we use canva.com to get these done. So here are the very bright colors, a good picture, and telling people to look away is like inviting them to click right away. A short standard intro with music adds a lot of professionalism to your videos, and we did it by using placeit.com. A cool end screen in which you let your viewers know what other videos they might enjoy, that helps too. And we did it by using canva.com. Invite all your friends and family and people that like you to join and subscribe to your channel. It might be a little scary at the beginning and you don't want a lot of people to watch because you're a little bit embarrassed, but those people don't care and they're the best critics. They will give you your honest opinion. Invite all your Facebook and Instagram friends. Give them a little clip of something really interesting that will intrigue them and will make them want to watch more. So this is how I got my first 100 subscribers. It seems to be not so much, but it's a lot, trust me. It's a hard road, it's hard work. And now I have new plans of making collaborations with other people. So if you have any suggestions, please go ahead and do so. Once I reach my new goal, I will make a new video of that journey. Hopefully it can be of help and inspiring to some of you out there. I wish you the best of luck. I will include the links of the products that we're using, the camera holder, microphone, etc. And I'm gonna include the videos that have been the most helpful for me in this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to see my videos every week. Love your skin and bye-bye. Till next time.